This is HP 14-AM075NA model notebook. The screen is completely shattered, so today in this video we're going to replace the screen. By the way, that is 14-inch screen and it comes with 4 screw holes, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top, and also 30-pin connector. Here is my iFixit tools. That's what I always like to use, and my tweezer. Make sure you discharge the battery and disconnect any sort of power, include charger, and take out the battery. And you don't have to completely take out this top panel. Instead, you can just pull out the front bezel by removing 2 screws. And this sort of replacement is pretty simple if you just follow some basic rules. You can do that yourself. You can pull this front bezel out and be careful into the edges. Take out these screws, and especially when you remove or disconnect the flex connector from the LCD, you have to be very careful because there are 30 pins, means 30 cables in such a tiny space and very fragile. So when you pull these out, just be a little bit careful and that should be fine. Okay, and when you reconnect also you have to be very careful and make sure you secure the connector, because sometimes what happens, I found many cases when they replace the screen, they don't see anything on the screen. Why? It's because of the silly problem. When they reconnect the cable, the alignment of the cable was not correct. Okay, means it was not connected properly. And never do that when the battery is connected. If you do that, you're gonna damage your motherboard, even the screen, and it will be a completely lost project. Make sure you secure with some sort of tape. Put it back into the place. Before you secure the front bezel, make sure you give it a try and check if there is any dead pixel or any sort of issues. If everything is fine, then you can switch it off, disconnect the charger, and put the front bezel out. Then it should be fine. Because of we remove the battery and the charger, it might be goes to the default date and time, which you need to update later on. I can see everything is fine. First of all, it takes like 5 to 10 minutes to turn on. To loading the program, sometimes could be less. Just want to make sure everything is fine. And also don't forget to remove the plastic film from the screen. Otherwise, you're not going to get the right pixel. It's going to be quite blurry if you don't take this out. And you have to remove it before you apply the front panel. I mean the bezel. Hope you'd enjoy the rest of the video. If you do like, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to leave any question into the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.